Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this question, we're going to be finding the missing sides in this 30, 60, 90 triangle. We have the long side as 3, and we need to find the hypotenuse and the short side. Now, the one thing that we need to note about the 30, 60, 90 triangle is that the sides are related using two equations. The first equation is that the hypotenuse equals 2 times the short leg. That's the first equation. And the second equation is that the long leg equals the square root of 3 times the short leg. This relationship is obtained using the Pythagorean theorem, but we can use these equations directly to get the missing sides. Now, let's determine, since we have the long leg, we can use the long leg to determine the dimension of the short leg first. Okay, so the long leg is 3, and that is equal to the square root of 3 times the short leg. So to obtain the length of the short leg, let's call it x, we can divide both sides by the square root of 3. So x equals 3 over the square root of 3. To rationalize, we multiply by the square root of 3, the numerator and the denominator. This will be 3 square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 times square root of 3, which is 3. And then we cancel out the 3's and we're left with the square root of 3. So the short leg is square root of 3. Next, we want to get the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 2 times the short leg. So the hypotenuse, let's call it y, equals 2 times the square root of 3, which equals 2 square root of 3. That's the length of the hypotenuse, 2 square root of 3. So what you need to do is to click the item in the picture and drag it and drop it where it's supposed to be, so that you can give the answers required. For the hypotenuse, you need to put 2, the square root symbol, and then 3. For the short leg, you need to put the square root symbol and 3.